Okay, a quick video on how to replace a high pressure fuel pump on a N20 BMW engine. It's right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the harness plug here. All right, you're gonna have another fuel line here that's already disconnected because the engine's on the stand. You take the other one off here, and over here you have your Torx 30s. Excuse me. And just unscrew those, and it comes right out. You just twist it a little bit and it comes right out. Okay. And now it has a plunger too. In here, there's a plunger that actually rolls on the cam with the roller. And you see it has a little nubby right here. That goes in this groove right here. It only can go one way. You see it? That goes like this. And make sure you lube it up and you replace the seal. The seal with it has the built-in O-rings. Make sure you replace that. And basically just slide it in. Make sure it's all the way down. You got your new gasket. Clean the surfaces of this one. Put a little lube. Put a little lube right here. And then you just put it in. Like this, you turn it. Line it up. Put your two Torx 30s in there. And hook up your lines again. And hook up your connector. Just make sure it's torqued down nice. And it seals good. And that's it. That's kind of fast. That's the high pressure fuel pump. Okay, Motorcarnut. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.